look at this beauty. 1959 Chevrolet, two-door hardtop, or sport coupe as it would have been known in the day. This particular vehicle came out of a collection that we had purchased quite a few cars out of when they lost a family member and decided to downsize their collection. So the way you see it is the way that we got it. Black paint on it. Car was basically a frame-on restoration approximately 10 years ago, give or take, according to the previous owners. Paint on it is nice. You will find some imperfections in the black. I'll try to show you. Kind of noticed it more a little bit around to the back, but as you can still see, still shows very, very nice. You take a look at the still pictures, you see a great reflection in the paint. Has a nice luster to it. As you can see, the bright work chrome, also in nice shape. So let's call it a very nice driver quality paint on this. Underneath the hood, you're going to find a 283 paired with an automatic transmission. If you want to check out the still picture, so you can take a close look at the paint like I'm talking about, bright work chrome, underside of the car, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or if you look down below in the description of this video, you'll see a link. Click on that, that'll take you right to it. Feel free to call us too. If you got any questions, feel free to call 507-386-1726. FYI, the wide white you see there, it is a radial tire, and they had these white wall applications that you could put over the radial tires that you had, so you still got that old school white wall look, but you have the radial tire on there, so the car will go down the road nicely. The car has a nice little rumble to it. We get around to the driver's side, show you the interior. We'll start it up. Check out the fender skirts, and like I said, the 59s and 60s and these had to be one of the nicest looking Chevys in the two-door hardtop lineup. Look at this. Of course, the taillights will distinguish between the 59 and the 60. Take a look up and down that car. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches, and look at how straight that baby is. Then, of course, with the red accent interior, very, very nice. Nicely equipped car too. Power steering, power brakes underneath the hood. It does have an aftermarket, I say after the fact, AC system that was put on it. I have not had that functioning. Looks like the components are there. We'll check it out when we pop the hood. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can sure assist with getting this car to where you're located at. I don't know if I can get it to show up in the video, but you notice a little bit of, almost like here, a little bit of crazing kind of in the paint. Nothing terrible, but you will notice it. Just want to make sure that you're aware of it. But again, you can still see how nice the paint is. Don't get me wrong, this car be fun to take any of your local cruise-ins, your local shows in your area. And again, the still pictures, take a look at the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about, how nice this car shows. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, links down below in the description on this video. Click on that, that'll take you right there. But you can see the reflection coming off the ceiling and the walls in this video also. Up and down the driver's side here too. Again, not full of nicks or dings or scratches. You can take a look up and down on the bright work. You don't see a bunch of dents in it like you see so many times, where they've had doors banged against them, and even up in the wing trim for that matter, also very nice shape. Nice looking car in the black and red. Bench seat up front. Other than that, retains appears to be stock dash. 59 styling. Check out these door cards, also in nice shape. Carpet is in nice shape. You can see underneath the floor mats, I have the pictures without the floor mats in, and the still pictures. Headliner, also in great shape. Overall, nice looking car. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it. We'll check out that engine bay. See how easily it starts? You don't have to pump it. Appears to have the original radio in it. I have not had that working, either had it on, did not give it to power up, so you're aware of that. Again, an aftermarket AC unit was added underneath the hood. We'll take a look at that when we pop it. You can hear 283 has a nice rumble to it. Sounds good. Smooth runner. Nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back here. Get a little rumble coming out of there. We'll go up here to the front, pause the video a second, and let's take a look underneath the hood and see what we have and see how it looks. Alright, first of all, a nice hood liner, how nice a shape that is underneath there. And look at how smooth this thing runs. 283 V8, just purring away. Power brakes, power steering, nice, tidy, neat, clean engine bay. There's the AC components I was talking about added after the fact. Wow, smooth runner. Once again, give us a call, 507-386-1726, or click on the link down below in the description. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. You can check this out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'll assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. 1959 Chevrolet two-door hardtop, black and red combination, great looking car. Give us a call.